darlings, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome back. So today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut and sew a bubu gown with a slit in front, and it has cowl effect on the sides. If you want to see more content like this, please drop a comment and let me know. Liking this video and subscribing is always much appreciated. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the tutorial. So guys, this is the fabric I'm using. I'm using this beautiful fabric. I don't know what this fabric is called. I got it in the market and it's almost 3 years. So I folded it into 4. So let me show you how I folded it. So I'm using this pattern paper for illustration. So this is the yardage of the fabric, and I folded it into 2 like this, and this is the length. This is the length. I folded it into 2 on the yardage like this, and then I folded it again. Before folding it again, I left 1 inch, as you can see here. You can see that this is the 1 inch here, and then this is the back. The back is folded on the front like this, and this side is going to be the shoulder. So on the shoulder I folded it 24.5 inches. I measure from the center of my back to where I want the sleeve to be, and the length is going to be 61, 1 inch for the folding, and 60 is the length. So this is it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So this is our starting line and also our shoulder line. We are starting with the back. This is the front with the open part, as you can see. This is the front, and this is the back, which is unfold. At the back, I'm taking 3.5 inches for the neck width, and then the neck depth for the back is going to be 1.5 inch. I connect it with my hand like this. So after marking 3 inches width and 1.5 inch depth for the back, you are going to connect it to the sleeve side like this. And on the shoulder slope, you are going to mark 1/2 inch for the sewing allowance. So you mark 1/2 inch, you see it, I mark 1/2 inch for the shoulder slope. So you can see that this is 24.5 inches. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take 11 inches for the sleeve opening, and I'm going to come in 1 inch like this. You see that I marked 11 inches for the sleeve opening, as you can see, and then I came in 1 inch. On the bottom part, I'm going to take 15 inches. You can take less, you can take more. 15 inches. So I'm marking 15 inches at the bottom part together with the sewing allowance. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to connect from the sleeve opening, the 11 inches for the sleeve opening, to the 15 inches at the bottom part. As you can see that it's going to have a little bit of cowl effect on the sides. I'm going to connect the arm opening in a bit like this. So this is for the back side. The front is going to have a V-neck. So let me show you what I've done so far. Let me show you the sleeve. You can see that where the sleeve opening is, and I connected it all the way to the hemline. So we are done with the back. Now I'm going to cut the front. So now I'm going to mark the front for you to see. The front is going to have a V-neck. So let me mark the 1 inch all the way down. So the neck for the front is going to be 3.5 for the neck width, and then the neck depth is going to be 8 inches. It's going to be 8 inches. You see, 3.5 neck width, and then 8 inches neck depth. That's for the front. You can see that. So this is our front, and this is our back. So the next thing to do now is to cut it out. I'm going to cut the side first, from the bottom to the sleeve opening. I'm going to cut the front V-neck first, then I'll cut the back neckline, and then the shoulder slope. So guys, this is it. This is the back piece, and this is the front with the V-neck. And I went ahead and pinned the line for the slit in front. This is the front piece. You can see that this is the front. So I draw it so that you can see it well. So what I'm doing is I'm taking 20 inches from the bottom for my slit. I want my slit to be long. You can open it more if you want. You can open it more or you open it less. I will stitch from the neck part up to where the slit ends. Then I'll cut the facing for the front. So this is the front. Let me show you how the neckline looks. This is the neckline for the front. So after stitching the front, this is how it will look. This is for the front. Then this is the back. I'll cut facing for both the front and the back. But the front, after stitching the slit in front before I cut the facing. So this is the back. You can see the back. You can see. You see, it's very simple to make. It's a very simple and beautiful dress. So this is the back. This is the back neckline. You can see that. You can deepen it more if you want. So this is the back. So I'm going to join the front slits. Then I'll cut the facing to come and show you guys. So darlings, I'm done stitching the slit. You see, I sew the middle. This is it, and I open it and iron it neatly for the front. And you can see the slit for the front. And then this is the neckline. You can see the neckline. So I've gone ahead and cut the facing for both the front and the back. So this is the front. You see, I joined the center front before cutting the facing. So this is it. I'm going to use the facing to turn it. And this is the back. This is the back neckline. So I also cut the facing for the back like this. I'm going to sew the facing and turn it over, and I'm going to do the same to the front side and come back and show you. I'm done attaching the facing to the neckline. The front facing, you can see that, very neat. Then this is the back. So I'm going to join the shoulders. After stitching the shoulders, I will hem the sleeve opening. After hemming the sleeve opening, I will come and show you the next thing to do. You see, I iron hemming gum inside to hold it down neatly, so you can see that. And I went ahead also to hem the sleeve. I went ahead and hemmed the sleeves, and I did this. I did the same thing to the other side. So the next thing to do now is to stitch the sides. So I'm going to sew the sides. So on the slit here, I'll iron hemming gum to lock it up, and I'll do the same to this side. You see, I'll place hemming gum inside and iron it to hold it down. Then after doing that, I will hem all the down parts and come and show you how it look. So guys, this is the outcome of this Bubu dress, and it's looking very nice and beautiful. So I will go and wear it for you to see how it look on me. And this is it. This is the sleeve side. This is the side. This is the side. You see how it's shaped nicely. And then this is the front. This is the slit. This is a slit in front. I iron hemming gum inside. So this is a slit. You can make it longer, but I don't want it to open it. So this is it. We have come to the end of today's video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up, share my videos, leave comments, and if you have anything for me to make tutorial on, you can leave it down the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.